Perception is reality. Affects both you and me. Perception is reality, affecting what you see. Perception is reality. Reward does not come for free. So if you have barriers or challenges, do not be like the Beatles and let it be, because you are potential more than you realize, standing taller than a Cody tree. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Maanaki, well, Maanaki Tia to be exact, because that's what my parents named me, quick fact. Quick fact number 2, this is a chair, just a chair. Quick fact number 3, you are wrong, because this is not just a chair. This chair has potential. This chair has a story. This chair can be a rocket ship, a race car, a teleportation device into outer space. This chair has a story, from the materials made to manufacture it, to traveling to the store where it was sold, to here where it is now. And just like this chair, I have a story, and I have potential. Because although it may seem that I've always been like this, all these achievements, all these badges, and all these accolades are actually just a mist that covers stories, the person that is me. And if you look a little closer, look at what you don't see. Because you don't see a boy that was sexually molested from the ages of 4 to 10. You don't see a boy that suffered from depression and anxiety. You don't see a boy from a low-income family in a low socioeconomic area where drugs was the norm, where alcohol, gangs, and violence was the norm, where daddy being in jail was the norm. You don't see a boy that after getting an excellence on a test was told, Maanaki, you have to make sure that you keep your grades up because, quote this, most Māori fall off the wagon when they get to college. You don't see a boy that was judged for being his eccentric self, but you saw what you wanted to see, because in the end, perception is reality. Perception is reality. What is perception is reality? When I like to use and tell people what perception is reality is, I tell them that it is about how you perceive something or someone that will in determine your reality and its reality. And although I now have to leave the stage with great sorrow, I tell you all to not let your past dictate who you are today or tomorrow. Thank you.